Okay guys, so we now have some basic idea of like what happens when you have default methods. If you don't know still, we can discuss more about it, and definitely in this video we'll discuss some more about this whole thing. So what was there when there was no Java 8? Let's say we are in Java 1.7. So what was there? So interface could have only one abstract method at most. Yeah, that's right. You can have only one abstract method there. The implementation of this method has to be provided in a separate class. So that's right, that separate class is going to be a child class. And so if a new method is to be added in an in an interface, then its implementation code has to be provided in the class implementing the same interface. So yes, right now in this example we have interface playable and it's saying public void play an abstract method is here. Now a class chess is there which implements playable interface. Now this is chess class responsibility to implement and override the play method. That's how Java works. They are binded in a contract. Interface says it's we are in a contract. If you are going to implement me, you have to override my methods. That we have learned in object-oriented programming in Core Java. If you don't know how interface works, please refer my previous videos in Core Java playlist. Okay, so again, until 1.7 of version, what was there? So every method present inside interface is always public and abstract. Yes, so if you are not using these two keywords public and abstract in your method, still that method is public and abstract. And following are the multiple ways for writing the method and interface. Simply you can write void m1, so that will result into public abstract void m1. If you write public void m1, so that is public abstract void m1. If you write abstract void m1, so it becomes public abstract void m1. And lastly, public abstract void m1. So doesn't matter, either you write void m1 or you write public abstract void m1. All four, these two, whatever you can say, these are common. One like multiple ways for writing a same method. So that's how it was designed and working till 1.7. So what happened in 1.8? What they did and what was the impact? Let's see next video. So stay tuned guys, let's see in next video. Bye bye.